Hello everyone, welcome to Hula Juan. Ang reading na ito ay para sa mga Aries for June 2024. So medyo na late tayo kasi busy ako. Nagka-travel kasi ako. So, unahin natin ang general forecast, then career and money, relationships, and then advice. So, unahin natin ang iyong cards. Okay. Welcome po kayong lahat dito sa Hula Juan. Ang goal ng channel na ito ay magbigay ng gabay using light from above with loving intentions para may positive energies ang lahat. Okay? Okay. So, general cards for all the Aries out there. Aries, nakikita ko sa inyo that there are things na parang hindi kayo masyadong hindi ba kayo makapag-decide? Hindi ba kayo sigurado sa sarili ninyo? There are things ba na parang hindi nyo sure ano yung direction? There are things din na parang dati marunong or dati you know your way pero ngayon parang nag-aalangan kayo. So something's happening with Aries. In the past, nakita ko naman na parang I think may mga things na na-resolve or tinatry ma-resolve. No? I'm not sure what that is. But in June 2024, what I can see with your energy, Aries, is that it feels like na yung mga changes medyo mabagal. It feels like kung may progress kayong hinahanap, medyo mabagal. Yun yung feeling ko nito. So, with all of these things na nangyayari, ano ba yung pwedeng nyong gawin, no? The advice sa inyo is to not make yourself feel poor. Does that make sense? Do not make yourself feel na parang kawawa ka naman. Do not make yourself feel na, alam mo yun, minsan parang ginugutom mo yung sarili mo or sometimes binibigyan mo yung sarili mo ng tinatanggal mo sa sarili mo yung mga masasayang bagay na pwede mo namang afford, na pwede mo namang i-enjoy. So ang sinasabi sa inyo is to not be in that mindset na napakahirap ng iyong sitwasyon or na parang you don't deserve anything. So to the opposite, gawin mo na yung mga bagay na enjoy mo, that will make you feel like masaya ka, gawin mo yun for yourself. Okay? Because ang nakikita ko sa inyo is for June 2024, may mga tema na parang dapat inuuna mo yung sarili mo. Kasi parang nakikita ko na yung energy na meron ninyo, mas kailangan nyo yun for yourself than other people. Okay? So, kuha na tayo ng cards for career and money. Kung nakatulong po sa inyo ang reading nito, please subscribe, hit the like button if you are on YouTube. Like and follow pag kayo naman ay nasa Facebook. Huwag niyo po kalimutan i-share ang mga kilala ninyo. Sa mga kilala ninyo na kailangan ng reading, malit na bagay lang po ito to support this channel para blessings lang ang umiikot sa mga community sa atin, sa community natin. Alright? So, career and money. Okay, career and money. Career and money for Aries. Career and money. Okay. Okay. All right. Alright, okay. Okay, when it comes to your career, Aries, ang pinapakita sa akin dito is the Page of Swords in reverse. So, it's telling me na you are evolving, you are trying to do things in a certain way na mas maganda, you are trying to do things na siguro medyo sinusubukan mong i-upgrade, no? Nakikita ko kasi na yung mga pwede mong gawin, like yung mga stuff yung mga ideas mo, ganyan. Medyo nahihirapan ka din i-express siya or nahihirapan kang ilabas yung mga ideas na yun. So, pero ang maganda dito guys, Aries, sa career reading mo, there is this hope, there is this light, there is this direction na gusto mong puntahan na napaka alam mo kung saan yung pwede na magawa mo, kung saan yung pwede mong ma-achieve, kung saan yung pwede mong alam mo sa sarili mo. I think you really know this. Ang advice sa inyo guys is to be not so emotional when it comes to your work. Kasi minsan may mga situations na parang you need to be logical, you need to be thinking quiet. Ano ba? Kumbaga, kailangan mo tanggalin yung emotional part siguro kasi wala it's all about the thinking and how to get to your desired na outcome. Okay? So punta tayo sa relationships and love life. So relationships and love life doesn't have to be para sa mga partner, okay? It can be anybody na meron kang relationship. Pwedeng friends, family, ganyan. Okay? Okay, let's just shuffle one more. Shuffle ng isa. So, meron po tayong 2024 forecast. Kung hindi nyo po yung napapanood, go watch it kasi yun po yung magiging advice ninyo sa 2024. Okay. When it comes to your love life, ang nakikita ko sa inyo guys, there's a lot of growth na hindi siya madali. Siguro this has something to do more with your self instead of with yourself in relation to other people. Okay? Hindi ito ibig sabihin na kasalanan ng iba. No. This is something na kailangan mong matutunan within yourself and how you how you communicate, how you feel, how you react, how you do things with other people, and kung paano mo din gagawin na mas maganda yung reaction mo sa ibang tao, because it will feel like na parang ano bang gagawin ko, feeling ko mag-isa lang ako, may mga ganong feeling. Pwede din na parang ma-feel mo na parang pinagkakaisahan ba nila ako, ganyan, or ano ba to, harap-harapan, alam mo yung backstabbing na na kita mo, yung ganon. So I think you have an idea naman how to handle things, or you can see things naman. Kumbaga hindi ka naman tanga para hindi malaman kung ano yung ginagawa ng ibang tao sa'yo. The only thing here is medyo masakit siya because it feels like you have the Ten of Swords. Parang ang pakiramdam bakit nyo ko ginanito? Ganon. But the thing is, kung yung mga nangyayari sa relationship nyo ngayon, it can be anybody, but meron kayong situation na parang medyo challenging siya, but it's actually making you somehow be in this very, very matured, parang ginagawa kanyang matured. Kasi parang sinasabi sa inyo na parang, ito yung ginagawa ng ibang tao, paano mo gagawin? Now, you go back to your own values, diba? Kung sa inyo yun, I cannot tell you ano yung pwedeng yung dapat yung gawin. But the advice for you is the Six of Cups, is to bring yourself into that youthful Ano ba yung values niyo before? Ano ba yung mga paniniwala niyo noon? Or go back to the things to those times when lahat naman ay okay. So you will find your inspiration or kung ano yung mga pwede mo pang maging solution, ganyan. Okay? Ang pumapasok sa akin is respect. Okay? So, ang outcome ng inyong relationships is the Fool in reverse. This is telling me na this is really growth for you. This is really growth na parang hindi na kayo yung beginner level, ganyan. Parang kung grade 1 naging grade ka na kagad, naging college ka na, ganyan. Yun yung pinapakita dito. So what's the general advice para sa inyo, guys? It feels like to me na yung June 2024, there are plenty of challenges for you, but there is also this huge, or wala naman huge, but there is this growth na pwede mong marating. Kaya mo to. It doesn't feel like na napaka-imposible na pwede mong gawin. Pero, ayun nga. Medyo nakakainis lang ng konti. But, kayang-kaya mo to. Okay? Yan ang forecast mo for this month. Subscribe on YouTube and follow Hula Juan on Facebook para para every month may aabangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intention. See you sa next reading, Aries. See you sa next reading. God bless.